So this is a video about the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse to the current year, which is 2022. When your key fob battery dies, you can access the driver's side door through the magic little key in there. It's in the instruction manual how to do that, so I'm not going to go through that one today. But what happens when the battery is dead is that it tells you to put it in the console. Now this has happened before for us, and we've been able to put it in this console. And it worked. I guess we were just lucky because there is actually a proper spot for it that we were not aware of until I watched another video. And it was more than frustrating because it still wouldn't start. We were getting the message here. So I've pressed the brake, I've pressed the start button, and now we're getting the no remote detected button message. So if you go to the main console, the deep one, and take everything out and peel back the little fabric carpet piece, you're going to see a little carve out. Fits the remote, whether the battery's dead or not. Now I'm going to take my foot off the brake. I'm going to put my foot back on the brake and press the button, and success. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and then my next stop is going to be the dollar store for batteries to replace in the key fob. Thank you.